everyone, my name is Anastasia Drinevska and I am CMO at Gain Ventures, and we are here at Cornell Tech University at our very own, very first conference, TGE Summit. I am here with my amazing guest, Anil, from Delphi Digital. So he's been a killer of our main stage today. Everyone likes him and now we have to figure it out. So Anil, how did you get there? And I'm not talking about the Cornell University, of course. How did you find yourself in crypto industry? Why do you find it fascinating? And a little bit about your project.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Anil. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Delphi. Delphi basically has three main divisions that everyone knows it for: Delphi Research, Delphi Ventures, Delphi Labs. Myself and my co-founders, we all came from TradFi, so worked at Bloomberg and Deutsche Bank. Got really excited about that life.
Decent names.
Yeah, not bad names. But I think honestly, as soon as I started working there, I realized that my ideas weren't judged by their merits. They were kind of judged based off how long I was there. And then at Deutsche Bank, for example, I felt like 20% of the job was something that I actually liked doing, which was analyzing companies, and 80% was just politics with old people and just learning softwares that weren't going to transfer over anywhere. And seeing the inside of a dying German bank was very scary. And then that's when I fell down the crypto rabbit hole and saw this opportunity to build this parallel financial system. So that was back in 2017. Haven't looked back since. And yeah, it's been a fun journey for Delphi.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
I like the wording, how you phrase that, parallel financial system. So it's not like revolution or not evolution, it's like parallel financial system.
In some ways it is, but yeah, absolutely. I obviously still use the traditional financial system, unfortunately. I hate, I don't know, can I curse on that?
We're gonna beep.
All right, awesome, nice, yeah. I hate going to Chase, sending a wire, it takes so long.
Yeah.
Sometimes they reject it, everything like that. So, admittedly, a lot of my net worth is on this parallel financial system that didn't exist, 10, 15 years ago, and I think that's beautiful.
Quoting Beyonce, America has a problem.
Yeah.
So how do you find the new conference format? It's not usual panels and keynote. How do you find yourself here as a speaker? Did you enjoy the format? What do you think?
Yeah, it was definitely fun. So, Adam obviously reached out, annoyed me a bunch, and was like, hey, you got to come. We were going to send one of our, head of token design, Jake. He's in Denver. Fortunately, couldn't make it. So, I stepped in last minute because obviously we agreed to something and we don't want to, back out. And yeah, it was, I didn't know what I was going to say, but we had fun up there. Just generally kind of wanted to talk about how I thought about token design, TGEs, everything like that. Obviously, it's TGE Summit. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Adam made it fun too and engaging.
Have you had any projects on the stage which you roasted today?
Yeah, I did roast one. I don't know ammo and there was this ammo chain. It sounded like a 2017 project, but maybe I'm totally wrong there. Was trying to be as nice as possible. But I didn't see the point of a token there. But again, I spent 10 seconds on it. I told him hey, if people and customers like it, then maybe there's something here. But that was one of the projects.
Is it scary to provide the feedback on the stage in front of everyone to the project which you're seeing for the first time?
Not really, because I think I do a pretty good job of disclosures where it's hey, these people are seeing me look at this project in real time, and this is just my gut feeling. Obviously, have been in the space for a while, so I think I do have I'm able to think very quickly on hey, this is my gut feeling. Obviously, I wish I'd have hours to think about it. Some things I don't want to spend hours on, right? But no, it was fun. It was. I think the founder respected it too and had fun.
Cool. What your gut feeling says about market sentiment right now?
Yeah, I'm the worst person to ask this question. I'm a perma bull, so I'm always bullish, which has obviously been going really well for the past few years. And honestly, I think when I got into crypto, one of the knowns for me was hey, this chart looks up and to the right, so I don't have to think about it. Obviously, every chart is to the right, so that's a little bit repeating. But anyway, up and to the right, so you don't need to think about it. So I spend that time thinking about other stuff rather than wondering, is Bitcoin going to go up or down today or tomorrow?
That's so true, and I like the level of energy here. I'm energizing myself right now. So what is the next big thing for Delphi Digital in the next couple of months?
Yeah, so we do have these three divisions which we're known for, but just 2 months ago we launched a whole new division at Delphi called Delphi Intelligence. basically this is our
Not
AI
enough,
focus.
always feeling not enough divisions under the umbrella.
Yeah, well, the thing is, like, all these three things, we even have a design studio and stuff, they all do work really well together, where they provide us very unique views from different perspectives, and then, they embody what we like to call and refer to as like the Delphi hive mind. So like, we not just get this like analytical mindset via research and consulting, you get the builder's mindset via labs, and then the investor's hat via ventures. So one thing that I think we talked about last year during the founders retreat was just like, hey, what is one truth that we don't want to be true in the next like 2, 3, 4, 5 years? The truth that we all kind of agreed on was like, hey, we have zero AI edge and we don't want that to be true in the future. So what do? Just like we did in crypto, we built a team, both in SF and China, to, and a brand to start like holding us accountable to like publish our thoughts, get smarter about these areas. And then, we do want to get exposure in AI as well. I do think it's like, this tech that will converge with crypto eventually, but I think in the near term, these individually are going to be very successful. So that's what I've been spending a lot of time on.
I think I just uncovered the secret of Anil's popularity. Well-spoken, has a wrist, and speaks faster than Eminem does, but straight to the point.
Nice.
So
yeah.
this is what you actually can take away from Anil for your next speech at the stage. And don't be scared, he's going to roast you, but not really hard. This is gut feeling.
I love it.
Thank you so much for this wonderful interview. And yeah, you're a wonderful person, and
Amazing.
you're absolutely killing it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Anil.
the time.